In this video, we will be journalizing this pattern from Algebra Grade 6. What is the meaning of journalizing patterns? Journalizing patterns means that we have to develop a formula for this pattern. Now, this formula should tell us the number of tiles that will be used in the nth figure, that is the figure n. So we have to find out that how many tiles will be used in the figure n. Like this is figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3. So let's try to observe this pattern and try to figure out a formula. Okay, so let's notice the central tile which is fixed in each figure. This is there in every figure. It is going to be there in figure 4, figure 5, figure 6 and figure n. But how is this pattern growing? See, on each corner of the central tile, there is another tile which is added. So each time, like this was there, each time another tile is being added. Like in the next figure, one more tile is being added. So here you can see there are 3 tiles on each corner. So there are 4 corners, and every time in the next figure, one more tile is added to each corner. And there are 4 corners, so let's try to develop a formula. So first of all, let's see the tile which is the central tile which is fixed, which is going to be there in every figure. So I am writing 1 here for the central tile. Now, there are 4 corners, and on each corner in the first figure there is 1 tile. So we will do 4 corners, and in each corner there is 1 tile. So notice that number of corners are fixed. The central tile is fixed. Only the number of tiles on each corner will be changing. So in the second figure, so let's use the same color. In the second figure, how many tiles are there on each corner? Yes, there are 2 tiles. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So there are 4 corners and there are 2 tiles in each corner. So 4 times 2. Next we have 1 plus 4 times, and there are 3 tiles. So we will write 4 times 3. Now notice that the figure number and the number of tiles. See, the figure number, this is the figure number, and the number of tiles on each corner is the same. So this is how we are going to develop a formula. So can you guess the formula for figure 10? Yes, the central tile will be fixed. Then we will add, there will be 4 corners, and on each corner there will be 10 tiles. So similarly, let's figure out for the figure number 65. Yes, 1 central tile plus 4 corners and 65 tiles on each corner. So like this. Now can you figure out the formula for figure n? Yes, 1 central tile plus 4 corners and n tiles on each corner. So this is the formula for the nth figure. So this is a journalized formula. Why is it called the journalized formula? Because if we put any value of n, we'll get the number of tiles for that figure. So we can say this is the formula for number of tiles. So the formula for number of tiles is equal to 1 plus 4 into n. It can also be written as 1 plus 4n. So now let's take n as 8 and let's try to find out the number of tiles. So it will be, we'll put 8 in place of n. 4 times 8. So 4 groups of 8. So 1 plus 32, it is 33. So similarly, we can find out the number of tiles for any value of n. So I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.